Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Ignore my horrible nails, I'm going to be doing them soon, but today I'm going to be doing my first ever friend swap with Vicky from Glitter Sparkle Nail Designs. Please go and check out her channel, I will link it in the description box below. She posts regular videos all the time, all really great videos, so definitely go check out her channel and subscribe. We have no idea what we sent each other today. I know she has sent me a foil that I loved in one of her previous videos, which I will try and link up here for you guys to go and watch. But other than that, we have no idea what we sent each other. I really hope she likes the bits that I've sent her. I'm really worried I haven't sent her enough or sent her bits she's not going to like. But hopefully she will. But you can go and watch her video over on her channel anyway, which again I will link down in the description box below. But yeah, I'm going to open these up now. I'm really excited. Thank you so much, Vicky, for sending me all these lovely bits. So I'm going to go ahead now and open it all up. If I can get my scissors to work. I'm currently using sewing scissors because I lost my little multi-chrome scissors that I had for nail art. So I've got these tiny little sewing scissors until I can go and get some new ones, because I haven't seen mine for about a week or two now. I don't know where they've gone, and these ones just aren't very good. But yeah, let's see what I got. I already feel like she's spoilt me rotten, and I just haven't sent her nowhere near enough. I'll open up this one as well. So there we go. So I've got a little note from Vicky. It says, "Hey Sammy, I'm really excited to be using or doing this friend mail swap with you. I really hope you enjoy everything I sent you. Love, Vicky. PS Glitter Sparkle Nail Design." Oh, I feel like she's spoiled me. I'm so excited. So first of all, we've got these foils. This is the foil that I saw in her video, which I absolutely fell in love with. It's really cute. These little flowers and butterflies on. And she's really sweet, bless her. She's also sent me a link of where I can buy some more. But she gave me half of what she had, which was just so kind and generous of her. It really is a beautiful, beautiful foil, and I really can't wait to use that. So thank you so much, Vicky. I really love that. That's stunning. Oh, I'm so excited. Then we've got this one. I've never seen anything like this. This is proper like oil slick type foil. Wow. That is literally like proper oil slick. I don't know if the camera's showing that up, but that's beautiful. I've not ever seen nothing like that one before. I'm really excited to use that. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Vicky. So then we've got... oh wow, there's so many in there. Oh wow, I literally feel so spoiled. These are like little foil pieces, but there's just so many in there. There's literally so many. I haven't got any of these either. Like I said to Vicky, like my nail art supply, like for ages now, I've literally just been doing like all my nail art, like freehand painting it, and it's only sort of been like a recent thing that I've started buying like decals and stuff, and sort of dabbling with foils and that a bit more. I've just sort of, for so long I was literally just painting on all my nail art and wasn't really dabbling with any other bits. But I was like tempted to buy some of these recently, but I never did, so thank you so much. I'm definitely going to be making use of them. I literally feel like you spoiled me. I don't know what to say. I feel bad. I don't feel like I've sent you nowhere near as much as this. And she also sent me some gold ones. Again, I absolutely love that. Thank you so much, Vicky. I'm not too sure what this one is. I'm not really too sure what that is. I think it's got a sticky back on it. So I think you sort of stick them onto nails, maybe. I've not actually seen nothing like that before. It's super pretty though. Sort of like opally, sort of reminds me of opal crystals. And there's like a bluey sort of tint one in there as well. Wow, they're really beautiful, they are. They literally look so much like opals, so shiny and sparkly. Thank you. I'm going to definitely have a play with them. and see what I can do with them, because I've not actually ever seen anything like that before. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be having a play with them. And then she sent me some Barbie foil, which again is super cute. I actually got some Barbie decals recently from Cutie Pieces as like a free little present. So I will definitely probably do a set of Barbie nails using this as well soon. So thank you, Vicky. Put that one back in there and keep it safe. Wow, I'm in love with this. That is absolutely gorgeous. It's like holographic feathers in so many different colours. I love that. I'm absolutely in love with that. It's so gorgeous. She sent me so much of it as well. I feel so bad. I just don't feel like I sent her nowhere near as much. Thank you so much, Vicky. And this one as well. So there's so many different foils out there. I was saying in a recent video, like I don't really own many foils. I got this like cheap bundle of eBay like probably about a year ago. But like none of the sort of foils that I got, they were like little samples. I think they're like 20cm long samples. But like none of them were nothing exciting. Like none of them had like these cool different like patterns, nothing on them. They were just sort of like one colour and sort of holographic. They were pretty, but they weren't like really nice designs like these sort of ones. And like I never really used them. It's literally been so recent that I've started playing with foils after I bought an M&M mystery bag that come with foils. And she sent me some really nice ones, and I actually have got some foil glue now, and I started like playing with them a bit more. But for so long I've like not had foils apart from those cheap ones I bought off eBay, and I just never really reached for them that much because like they were nice, but I didn't really feel like using them much. It's sort of quite a new thing for me, these foils, but I absolutely love all these different designs. That feather one there is gorgeous. Thank you so much, Vicky. I just don't own foils like this. This is not another Disney one. It's a Disney princess one. Super pretty. I'm definitely going to start doing some Disney themed nails soon because I keep being gifted all these Disney things. So I'm definitely going to have to do something with them. So Vicky has sent me this foil as well, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. It's very holographic with all different butterflies, and I really love that. It's absolutely beautiful. Like I've been saying, I just don't really have many foils like this, so to get something like this I'm super happy, so thank you. There's some more foil, which again is really gorgeous. I feel like this is a very versatile foil that you could probably do quite a lot with. Absolutely stunning with the stripes, and I really love that, so thank you again, Vicky. So here it looks like we've got some more foils. We got some cute Minnie and Mickey Mouse foil. I love that. I'm definitely going to have to create quite a few Disney designs because I keep obtaining Disney bits. So I'm definitely going to have to get some of that. Then here we have what looks like some sort of like Easter foil, which I really love. I don't really have anything Easter. I have got a couple of, I have only got one pack of Easter decals, as I have sent the other pack that I had to Vicky. So I'm really happy about this because I really haven't got that. It's literally I've got the one pack of Easter decals and that's all I've got for Easter. So I'm really excited. This gives me sort of more options to do some beautiful Easter decals with. So thank you. I'm so excited for this. I've got my own little glitter mix. I'm really excited for this. I've got my own little glitter mix that Vicky has made me. If you don't know already, Vicky and her husband Andy do actually have their own little glitter company called Glitter Sparkle Nail Design. They do have lots of really gorgeous glitter mixes for sale. I did actually feature some in a recent video, which again I'll link up top here for you to have a look. Pumpkin's Nail Station as well. She generally shares quite a lot of Vicky's glitter, and obviously Vicky's YouTube, Instagram and their Facebook page, which I will link all of those in the description box below as well. I'd definitely check her out at amazing prices for amazing glitter mixes. So this one here, she sent me gorgeous pink colour. We've got some stars, some hearts, some hexes, some larger hearts, loads and loads of different shapes in there. Even looks like it might even have some like rectangular pieces, and it's got like iridescent shine to it with lots of pink glitter and blue glitter. It's just absolutely beautiful. I really look forward to using that. So thank you so much, Vicky, I really appreciate that. Okay, and then we got some unicorns. I've never actually used anything like this. They definitely are quite big, but I'm sure I could definitely use them for something. I haven't actually done many unicorn nails, but I don't really own any unicorn bits. I did actually send Vicky a foil with some holographic unicorns on that I'm hoping she likes. But other than that, I don't really have any unicorn stuff. So, thank you, Vicky. Then she sent me a cute little nail file. Always comes in handy. It's like silver and slightly holographic. So, thank you. Then we've got some slanted tweezers. I like these tweezers, they're really useful. I find them quite easy for picking up stuff with where they're sort of like, yeah, slanted. So thank you, they always come in handy. So we've got some festive nail wraps, which I will put aside for next Christmas, but I'm sure you'll definitely see me using them. Then we've got these, which are like the stickers that you sort of peel off, put on a nail, then you paint over and peel them off again, and sort of puts a design on there. So we've got like some what looks like maple leaves, we've got some clovers, some sort of pattern, we've got some like waves. They're just basically patterns. You've got some zebra prints. I always really struggle to use these. I have actually got a pack somewhere, but I haven't used them for a while, but I am going to sit down and I'm going to try and get better at using these because I always really struggle with them. But thank you, Vicky, I'm definitely going to learn to get better with these ones. And then last, but certainly not least, these are interesting. Wow, again, I've not seen nothing like this. It looks like she sent them to me in 4 different colours. They're sort of like little stones. They're definitely quite interesting. I don't know nothing like that. As I said to Vicky, like, I don't actually own lots of nail art stuff. It's sort of been a recent thing to start building up my collection. But wow, they're really cool. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Probably encapsulate them, or I suppose put around rhinestones and stuff. They're so different, I really like them. I really like the colours as well. But these sort of turquoisey ones are absolutely beautiful. And obviously, if you know me, you know I like red nails, so I love them. And the pink's beautiful too. I'm really gobsmacked by everything. I feel like Vicky has absolutely spoilt me completely and utterly rotten. I love them, they're so iridescent, so shiny. I really do feel spoiled. I can't thank Vicky enough. I think we're actually going to do a collaboration soon, and we're going to use the bits that we sent each other to do a set of nails, so keep your eyes peeled for that one. I'm so excited, I absolutely love all these bits. I was wrong, I should have looked at that a bit more closely. Show how blind I really am. I was looking at that the wrong way. I was looking at it like that, and I actually thought they were little chicks in Easter eggs. And actually, I think they are like little sort of toad mushroom things. They kind of remind me of the ones from Mario. Like sort of like toadstool mushrooms. I love them though. They're really gorgeous. But yeah, I was looking at them that way and I thought they were little chicks inside Easter eggs. Maybe they are. I'm so confused. No, they are. I think they are meant to go that way. I love them though. They're so colourful and so pretty. I love my colourful stuff. I couldn't be happy with all these bits. Like, she has absolutely spoilt me like there's no tomorrow. She's sent me so many amazing things, and I really couldn't be more grateful for absolutely everything she sent me. It's nice to sort of send each other like little bits out of our collections as well, because obviously we all buy different things. And it's nice to share like little things between each other, so we all have a good collection of bits and bobs, because I really am trying to sort of build up more of a collection so I have more options like decals and stuff, because I'm really quite liking using decals because they're really easy to use and they look really effective. And I don't really have a lot of decals. I was buying packs of Amazon really cheap, but some of them aren't very good, or they're really tiny and just don't really show up very well on a nail. I think that's probably why they were so cheap. So I need to build up more of a collection. I'm really thankful for Vicky, because she's sent me so many beautiful things. Literally, I'm so amazed with every single thing, and there's so much I can create using all of this. I'm literally over the moon. So yeah, again, thank you so much to Vicky. She's an absolute angel. Definitely go over and go to her channel and subscribe. Like, I insist that you go to her channel and subscribe, because she's just such a lovely lady, and she puts out amazing videos and she sells amazing glitter, and she's just amazing. So definitely please go and subscribe to her channel for me. And yeah, keep your eyes peeled for our little collab that we're going to do a nail art of the bits that we sent each other. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. Thank you to Vicky again. I don't know how many times I said that, but I really can't thank you enough. I'll be forever thankful. So yeah, thank you. But yeah, anyway, I hope you've all enjoyed this video. Much love, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.